Let's read the story. The Crow and the Pitcher. In a picturesque countryside, where meadows stretched as far as the eye could see and the air was filled with the gentle hum of nature, lived a clever crow named Corvin. Corvin was not just an ordinary bird, he was known throughout the land for his sharp mind and quick wit. One scorching day, as the sun blazed high in the sky, Corvin found himself traversing the rolling hills in search of water. The heat had taken its toll, and the once vibrant landscape seemed to thirst for relief. As he soared above, Corvin spotted a quaint village with a shimmering pitcher placed upon a stone table in a garden. Hope flickered within Corvin as he descended to investigate. The pitcher, adorned with intricate patterns, seemed promising, but as he landed and peered inside, he realized it held merely a small pool of water at the bottom. His thirst intensified, and a challenge presented itself: how to access the life-giving liquid just out of his reach. Undeterred, Corvin decided to employ his intellect, a tool as sharp as his beak. He circled the pitcher, examining it from every angle. The solution lay not in brute force but in cunning strategy. Spotting a nearby pile of small stones, Corvin picked them up, one by one, in his beak. As the first pebble clinked against the pitcher's bottom, Corvin's mind whirred with determination. He dropped one pebble after another, each creating a soft sound as it struck the inside of the pitcher. The water level began to rise, albeit gradually. Corvin's perseverance fueled his ingenuity. The villagers, going about their daily activities, soon noticed the clever crow engaged in this unusual task. Intrigued, they gathered around, watching as Corvin, inspired by some unseen wisdom, continued his endeavor. The clinking of pebbles and the rising water level captivated the audience. Corvin's actions mirrored a timeless fable well known in the village, the tale of the Crow and the Pitcher. In a time long ago, in a world not unlike their own, a clever crow named Corvin faced a similar predicament. Thirsty and desperate, he discovered a pitcher with a tantalizing bit of water at the bottom. Unyielding, Corvin gathered pebbles and dropped them into the pitcher, one by one, until the water level rose within his reach. The village elders, narrating this fable, always emphasized the crow's resourcefulness and the valuable lesson it carried. Back in the garden, as Corvin's efforts reached their peak, the water finally crested the edge of the pitcher. A triumphant call echoed through the village as Corvin dipped his beak and drank deeply, his thirst quenched by both water and the sweet taste of victory. The villagers erupted in applause, their admiration for Corvin's intellect evident. The clever crow, having overcome the challenge with a strategy inspired by the timeless fable, became a local hero, a symbol of wisdom and perseverance. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm, golden glow over the village, Corvin took flight once more. His wings carried not only the weight of a well-sated crow but also the echoes of a tale reaffirmed, a tale that reminded all who witnessed it that intellect, coupled with determination, could surmount even the most challenging circumstances. And so, in that tranquil countryside where meadows whispered tales of old, the villagers retired to their homes, carrying with them the memory of Corvin's cleverness and the enduring wisdom of the Crow and the Pitcher, a lesson that would be retold by the fireside, passed down through generations, ensuring that the village and its clever crow would forever be intertwined in the fabric of their shared stories. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.